Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn what a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, shawl and stall. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 13 plus 8 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 13 plus 8 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 23 stitches on my needle, 13 stitches multiple of pattern. Here we make a pattern of 13 stitches plus 8 extra stitches, 21 plus 2 edge stitches, 23. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side row. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now knit 8. Knit 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit together. Now yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip and knit from back loop. That's a repeat. Knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. This is 13 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 9 stitches. So knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. This is second row, wrong side row. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row, second row, and every wrong side rows we make same, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Second row is completed now. This is third row and right side row. Third row, right side row. Slip edge from starting of this pattern, pull 1. From here we start our repeat pattern, pull 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit together, knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop. That's a repeat. Pull 6, 2, 4, 6, knit together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? Here we have last 8 stitches. Now purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. This is fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull it from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit together, slip these two. Now knit together from front loop, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit together from back loop, that's our repeat. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Here we have last 9 stitches, knit it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knit edge from right side. So again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of project. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.